Here's the sensor code, and we already entered it. Yes, that's correct. Next. 8. $8K. I already had this in there once, so it's 4 P 8 8. And that's on the transmitter box. You want to hold the transmitter up here, honey, so we can. AK4P 88, and then we save. Yes, it's correct. Now we're going to insert the sensor. We already washed. All right. Now Carla's going to insert the sensor. Okay, wow. It actually worked this time.
Last time it didn't pop.
Yeah. The transmitter just sticks in there and snaps in. Is there a label or anything on it? And you're supposed to.
Well, remove application from skin, leaving patch and holder on, which is that. Throw away the applicator.
Okay.
And then
Up there on the top.
oh, take the snap it in. Clean transmitter with alcohol. Insert tab first.
There's the alcohol.
There's the tab. Snap in till it clicks.
Yep, so it just goes, stick it in here until it clicks now.
So tab first. Tab first.
Okay.
Tabs in.
Snap.
Snapped into place.
Yeah. And now,
it says rub it around the.
Alright. And that's that. We've completed that. Please wait. Transmitter and receiver are pairing. May take 30 minutes. Keep receiver within 20 feet of the transmitter. Now that other one that didn't work right, let's keep it because they may give us credit for it. Pair is success.
Oh, beeping all over the place. Start sensor. Tap 1. Tap 1, then 2 to unlock. I don't really want to unlock it, do you? To unlock. I don't want to unlock it. Wait up to 30 minutes for pairing.
It already paired.
Tap sensor to begin 2-hour warm-up. Which is this? It says start there. So it says start sensor.
Yeah.
And you already pressed that?
Yeah, and nothing happens.
There you go. Just leave it like that. Wait 2 hours.
Well, it's not searching.
There we go. It's doing.
I don't think it's working right.
During pairing, no G6 readings. Always keep receiver within 20 feet. Let's see if it shows that. Tap 1, then 2. There you go. Starting sensor. 2-hour sensor warm-up. There you go. Okay.
Okay, so that concludes this stage of setting it up. And sorry it was a little bit longer, but we're easily confused people here on the hill in the Lost Hills of Iowa, where the corn grows tall and the soybeans grow beautiful, and unless a tornado tears it all down. We lost 10 million this year to a silly tornado coming through. Anyway, y'all like, subscribe, and share and comment, and hope you got something out of this part of the video.